Meet Charlie, a talented chimp with a spark of something extraordinary. His eyes gleam with a secret waiting to be revealed. The jungle holds its breath as Charlie discovers his newfound power, a fire that casts its enchanting glow upon the world. The animals stand transfixed, unable to tear their eyes away from Charlie's dazzling display. They have never witnessed such magic within their midst before. Panic sets in as the once mesmerizing fire transforms into a beast hungry for destruction. The animals gasp in horror, realizing the chaos that unfolds before them. Charlie's heart pounds with a mix of fear and guilt, his attempts to tame the untamed fire proving futile. A sense of helplessness washes over him as smoke fills the air. In the face of disaster, a collective strength emerges. Animals who were once strangers now work together, using every available resource to fight against the fiery threat. Cheers of triumph echo through the jungle as the combined efforts of every creature bear fruit. Their unity and determination have quelled the fire's destructive rage. The devastation serves as a poignant reminder to Charlie and the animals of the importance of responsible actions. A solemn vow forms in Charlie's heart to only use his gifts for the betterment of all. Nature's resilience becomes a beacon of hope as the animals come together, dedicating themselves to rebuilding what was lost and nurturing the precious balance of their shared home. Charlie has become a living emblem of redemption, his transformation an inspiration to all who witness it. Through his actions, he teaches the importance of using one's talents responsibly. From the ashes, a renewed sense of purpose emerges, a shared commitment to protect and cherish their wild sanctuary. In their harmony, they find strength and resolve to safeguard their home. As Charlie weaves his stories, he reminds the animals of their ability to change, to grow, and to protect what is precious. His words find a permanent place in their hearts, inspiring generations to come.